Si Robin nakatapos yan ng college. Meron siyang degree sa criminology. Si Robin nung nasa bilibid nakapagpasa na ng batas. Even being a senator. Sa tingin niyo ba ang Philippine Army, bibigyan siya ng ganun kalaking role, ganun kalaking responsibility sa Philippine Army na siya ang in charge of communications at strategic planning? Kung sa tingin niyo hindi siya qualified. I know for a fact, si Robin hindi nagpunta sa Senado para magpayaman. Hindi. He is not greedy. He is not hungry for power. Si Robin nandito to serve. Yun ang sigurado ako, 100% for the country. He supported the Bangsamoro Organic Law. He served as the face of modernization of agriculture in the Philippines. He built therapeutic centers against drugs sa National Bilibid Prison and awarded by the National Drugs Board. He organized peace talks since he has been organizing since 2013, especially for the Sulu Youth Empowerment. He conducted relief operations. He is a Mindanao peace advocate, peace exemplar of Act for Peace program of the United Nations Development Program of the Philippines. He organized the Digmarawi program noong 2017. Meron siyang liwanag ng Kapayapaan Foundation. He is the founder. Tumatayo balahibo ko right now. I'm not kidding. He's going to continue the platforms of PRRD, federalism, and the Foreign Act investment. Ito pa, gusto niya magkaroon ng proper education for farmers, ang modernization of agriculture. Gusto lang niya lang talaga is walang kawawa. Yun ang gusto niya, walang kawawa. Alam mo yun, lahat nakakakain, lahat nakakapag-aral, basic needs. And as a mother of two, na sobrang protektado ng aking asawa, alam ko, marami siyang batas na magagawa para sa ating kababaihan. Marami siyang suporta na maibibigay sa mga bata kasi sobrang lapit nito sa puso ni Robin.